component knowledge test as test number 3 and 4. Third option is about the mechanical devices knowledge, how because a system is not made of just one thing, so it is about how much you know the mechanical things in the system, which in which field you are working are. Then problem 1 is I have shown one image and created one question ki what is this view in this. Then 3D, then questions are written here, very simple, for only for demonstrating that how this uh, method can be used. Then problem number 4, it shows some view plan of a uh, this reactor system. Then problem number 6, it is completely imaginative view कि reactor channels are below this. Models has been designed keeping in view about the ASWR design using PSAR, PDR, and other standard documents designed for ASWR. Then this is problem number 10, 11, 12. This is completely ki suppose somebody is imagining what is going inside the reactor. Then it was problem 10 was about that model. After giving on the answers, one can view all the answers, view problem of the all attempted answers, uh, view problem and attempted answers. This hello is this is some software error. If some image is missed, then it displays hello. Problem number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So whatever answer has been registered, one can view, and uh, one has to write the mark while doing test, where it is written marks 5 into p. So 12 will be multiplied by 5. But this is just an exercise. It has been written like this for this specific test. Then we can see another control system problem. In the control system, RTC are very important devices. Then it is written here ki how what is the timer used in your system, which timer is used as PIT timer, and how it is configured. Then this is a very important question. Then problem number 2, board address selection, fixed address, uh, uh, CPU board for a software developer. Problem number 3, this is CPU board about FPGA. So what you know about these reliabilities of these boards. Problem 4, PTP board for software developer. So why PTP board is used? What are the trips? What do you mean by short trip and the long trip? These are the basic questions of the control system. And this is about digital output board. What is the role of FPGA in digital output board? Then problem number 6. This is Blender model of a board. Blender model can be modified for mimicking the board ki how signal is flows. Just for quickly explaining what is a flow diagram. Then this is IB2 uh, channel isolated current. These are the boards used in the control systems. What are main features of develop? Then 10 is LVDT signal conditional board. And what do you know about these boards? Program for FSCS tests. What are main features? What are main features of solenoid driver boards? What are backplanes in system? VME bus backplane. fitted with the appropriate number, digital backplane for P1 VME bus connector, etc. So these were all 12 problems from the control system board, most which are used most मतलब most basic questions about the control system. In this we can in this test if we are using this type of we can find out how much time is taken for giving an answer, then percentage of correctness can be found out using how much answers were correct from this from these all these questions. And total marks are defined as 300 because in this there are 5 tests. So we can again see the images and the answers, what are the against which question what is the answer have been given, and all answers has been registered. This is 6 7. One can also write the subject name. Time will be automatically displayed. Test has been given for, and date and test of time of the test 11 and 12. Like this, all answers have been pre-prepared in the Excel sheet for while in actually one can write the answer in given answer box, answer the query about question, and then get answer for the problem. This is for showing quickly the demo ki how is the answers prepared. So these are prepared exercises, questions and answers. Then another next field is कि more fields can be added, code can be easily extended, and all these are taken from the use of Excel sheets, and images are specific locations of the folders. Then one need not do much uh, changes in the code for extension of code, or if you want to change the question answer and images, that can be easily done or without doing any changes in the software. So change is not required while doing this. Any change is not required in the code. There is no change in code if you want to change images or question related questions, and because code only read Excel sheets and the images. Now 3, this is again going through, this is again and just browsing if which were the question answers. One need not cram much about the details of the system in this type of system, because knowledge areas are very vast. If you one need to cram, then so many fields cannot be memorized only at one time. Image sources are also displayed. Image sources, image are taken from which source. This is written in the top below the most below edit box. It is showing what is the